Hi everyone, in today's video I'll be showing you how I cook lamb stew. So without further ado, let's jump right into this video. So you will need 2 spring onions, 2 onions, garlic, 2 bell peppers, and then we have chili powder, all-purpose seasoning, curry powder, paprika, ground ginger, turmeric, garlic seasoning and canned tomatoes, as well as 1.4 kilogram of stew and lamb that I am showing you. When it comes to cooking, preparation is so important. Like, I can't cook in a messy kitchen and I don't have the time to rush around looking for something, so it's better to have things prepared and ready. But yeah, I'm gonna stop rambling on so you guys can see what I'm doing. After we have chopped up our vegetables, we can go ahead and pop these to one side, and then we can go ahead and season up our lamb. And just to let you all know, I have already washed the lamb in vinegar and water. As you can see, I don't really measure anything, I just eyeball it. If I don't see the flesh, then I know it's well seasoned and I know the food is going to taste so nice. So right now I'm just rubbing the meat together, making sure it's well marinated, and I was going to pop this in the fridge to marinate for over a few hours, but honestly I didn't really have the time. But if I were you, pop this in the fridge and leave it for a few hours, as the food will taste much better when it's cooked. So I've got the pot on the fire and I'm going to add some extra virgin olive oil and let it heat up for a minute or so. And then I'm going to start throwing in the lamb along with the garlic that I chopped up in the beginning, and then stirring the lamb for about 10 minutes until it starts to get brown. Now I'm going to add 1 litre of boiling water and then stir the meat for a minute just so that the meat is not sticking to the bottom of the pot, and then pop the lid on top and leave it to boil for 30 minutes on medium to high heat. So after 30 minutes, as you can see, the water has reduced a lot, but don't worry because we will be adding more later. So right now I'm just adding in the chopped spring onions, the peppers and a whole can of peeled plum tomatoes, then mixing everything together. I've just remembered that I still got that bowl I seasoned the meat in, so nothing goes to waste. So anyways, I'm going to add 700 milliliters of boiling water to the lamb. And same again, I'm stirring everything together for another minute and reducing the heat, and then pop the lid back on and leave it to boil for 40 minutes on low to medium heat. After 40 minutes, I then added a bit more seasoning just because it was just a tiny bit bland, but after adding a bit more chili powder, the flavour really did kick in. But because I'm not just cooking for myself, I have to be really careful with how much spice that I'm using. Anyways, I left the lamb to cook for a further 20 minutes on low to medium heat. After 20 minutes, the lamb is now cooked, it's tender, you can see the meat is not really sticking to the bone no more, and it smells delicious. And this will be perfect served with rice and peas, or just plain rice, anything, up to you. But anyways, I'm going to be having cauliflower rice and asparagus with the lamb, just because I've dedicated myself to this low carb diet that I'm on. But honestly, doesn't this look so nice? But yeah, this is the end result, and I hope you guys enjoy this video of me cooking. Sorry for the bad quality throughout this video, and I see y'all in my next video, and don't forget to subscribe.